We out here, about to celebrate the Sandy and Sage first ever event launch, man. So let's see how it goes, my guy. Them niggas are here, boy. These are the niggas, boy. Alright. So introducing everybody to Sandy and Sage. Who you gonna start with, dog? Who's Sandy? This is Sandy. This is Sage. Yeah. S4 NTY, S4 GE. Yeah. That's cool. That's the quad, dog. It's a quad, boy. Okay, my guys. So we out here at the first ever Sandy and Sage launch, man. Tell me how you feel.
Hey, dog. Started off nervous, and now I'm feeling happy, dog. Hey, this is the first one. First annual, dog.
Why so happy?
More, dog.
Why so happy, my guy?
I'm happy because the people are happy.
Niggas just walk in front of the camera.
Yeah,
my guy. Tell me how you feeling about the first ever Sandy and Sage event, my guy. Excited.
Let me tell you the second question. Why? I just want to interview.
It's very quick.
Okay, why is it? What's the inspiration? For you to do these shandies, boy, I see everybody pulled up, young bamba. It's fresh, it's not. But then, what's the inspiration before you even download these shandies? Like, what was the inspiration behind all these shandies, boy?
The biggest inspo that we had, man, it was that we don't have an event, man. We never had one, so we thought of like some.
Is it Jamatoata?
Do you know Tsape?
I don't know why.
You know Tsape?
Tala the shandies, boy.
You know
I
Tsape?
tap we are the Tsape.
I'm Tsape for today, boy.
The new H Tsape.
I'm Tsape for today, boy.
Hey, the chief. Sla, boy.
Malevela walingani. Zela high, zela moyes.
Zela moyes. Ipe mic. Ngaba mi mic, boy.
Yeah.
Ngaba mi mic, boy.
Mawuthi yimba.
Kasile
Angifuni isikhathi uthi meyi.
Yona ngimseme. Hey baba, Tsape bam-invite to interview like one-on-one session.
One-on-one dates.
Yeah.
The focus is on the food.
Yeah, it's a better.
And right now I'm representing Tsape, boy. Yeah, Tsape is like
you move it out.
Yeah, move it out.
Move it out, Tsape.
That part I was legendary, boy. Legendary.
Who's the long way part?
Yeah, mama. It's not
I'm sorry, flow. Sorry now.
Me love you, me love what?
Me love, okay. King YP.
Yo.
Datilandi. Me love you, me love Kari, boy. Okay, what are we doing here?
I'm not sure, Alaba.
We are showing. Niggas.
Oh! Nilda not. Mtafula lui la.
Come on. Why?
Shota jwala la. Ngababona ngithi na. Shota jwala la. Ngabona inyawo tena bese kuphela.
Icorons.
Mbuke yona.
Bambe lokhu.
Mbuke yona.
Ngapha Zimbabwe.
Everything safe.
Lahleka lebheke.
Ngobona endlela tafula.
Ungapha Zimbabwe. Okay, flow.
Luzo yini tafula?
Ask me question.
Louis Petron.
Fema.
Let's Mike Baba.
Hello.
What's your name?
Separeni. Ebeshini.
Kuluma.
Sandy.
And say.
Yes, we want that. We want that.
So, since to enjoy it, since Mashara Banga Sandy my event, so shout out to Sage and Sandy since we decided to go bayende event lesona. Thank you, shout out to SA YouTubers. Jenny
Polite.
Fuck all, fuck
Zokudla, but not now. Not now. It's our time now.
Yeah, in the boat case up there. Boat case.
Hi, base.
Money, polish,
Sandrani.
Mina ngihlangiceda kubona ex yami leshadile yaselenje.
Lokho sekhumbula.
Angifilisha about Sam.
Ngeke ngiphinde mina. Ngibe nenkinga mina. Ngeke. Khali.
Lengu kese emakhaya.
Ngibuya bafana.
Mina ngizole ukufala nokudla.
Ngajwayela ngalalela hamba.
Opet. Ukomza ngani mfana wami?
Muphi? Ngolalo botsokufonela.
Hayi
Ngizela abantwana, mina ngizela utwana. Danga ngibambele yona, kumnandi mina ngibambele yona. Magama kakhulu mama into connected.
Ayiko all.
Yaplinga lela. Wewe connected.
Sohlakele.
Yaplinga so iphisi balekile. Ay connected imali bese.
Nasenyonatha mina bangitshela ngokuthi tankale.
Shilite mina.
You don't need no Soviet, we got your mirror. You don't need no Soviet, boy.
Tidila ukudla.
Tidila ukudla.
Tidila masaviet. Okay, mina ngenele content ibe dope. Beka le tandla la.
Ngeke.
Light, medium, strong. Strong lakini. Lakini ku strong. Okay. Strong lakini. Strong kimi. That plate. Good that bed. Boy. Yes, boy. Good that bed. Good that bed. Good that bed. Light, medium, strong.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't believe this.
Light.
Medium.
Whoa, okay, yeah, guys.
Him. Okay. Light. Okay. Light.
Medium.
Strong. Strong. Light the shake there. I just shake boy. No more baka ma ice yawa. So liyashisa. Kathi ne 7 before Shayana mina sengibonile no. 7 before Shayana. Strong.
Contact ngeke sinathise baba. Ngeke sinathise. Ini. Lama video. Yini kama lawo. Kono. Ma contact ngeke sinathise. Ma contact ngeke sinathise. Ngeke sinathise. Itlauts ma contact ngeke sinathise uthini la.
Ma contact
Uthi ma contact.
Angikhona kuspela ma contact noma ma contact.
Konoko futhi.
Ibike ndawo yini? Ma contact noma content. Hale pali.
Baba sona tsatsana.
Ya bona sina tsakudala la.
Inyama seveli phelile vele. Hayi uyo ngale.
Iblog lentanga ipheli yaqhubeka boy. Continuous. Iplay mic gun. Ayikho connected. Ima just connect le mic. Mac. You play. Okay. Mac. Nang la.
No, it's not Mac. It's Max. 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 Hellboy. Mina nenkinga mina.
Thenga tshwala.
Batawufuna ukuthenga shwala. Thenga shwala baba. Thenga shwala. Wonke wena uyafika egroovini escape 2. Samson thenga shwala. Yeah, say refill.
Yo, fuck these niggas. The PS.
You scared me a fish. I know, shout out line, boy.
Bro gave me empty.
I'm cool. Nah, fuck it, boy. Tell him who you are, boy. Boy.
Say, aesthetic SA. Keep that shit. You know who it is. Yeah.
Do you tell these Chinese? Tell him to clock you, boy. Tell him to clock it. Clock it. Okay. The floor. Pohat. Kabane Pohat. Right Pohat.
Salam.
Bachele.
Wala. Ebsala izwa mina ngithene. Bese mina ngithene.
Ayikho khona.
Mina manje kethe. Word of the day.
Word of the day.
Word of the night.
Yeah.
Word of the night.
Yeah.
Passenger yami la. Uyangibona na passenger yami. Ene sokuthi manje thina asifuni inkinga. Wena ungathanda ukuthi umuntu akubambele inkinga zakho. Thina ngangithanda umuntu angibambele inkinga. Angifuni lo. Yes, angifuni lo. Right inja yami mesibambele inkinga zakho.
Hi. Sabe. Hi. Pô.
Yo.
Olha up. Let's start.
I'm Pô. Hi. Flow, my God. Flow, man. No, I mean, I don't want to shoot, boys. Uva, Timland.
Yeah. Sikhona sikhibikile live ngikuphi la separate name abasho. Live guys sikhibikile. Phela ngoba ibese maceda inja Mr. Swedon. How is the day today?
Hey, bruh. The day is fucked up.
Why?
What's going on?
You know why, bruh?
Yeah.
You can drink alcohol, but at the end of the day, you can never feel pranked.
Yo, did you hear that?
Why, bruh? Because, bruh, yo, man, I don't know what to say.
There's a lot going on.
You know why? I don't know what to say.
There's a lot going on. Let us happy. Skibigile it's live. Hey, Mr. Kressler.
Hello, Chen.
I'm live, man.
Hold on, hello, Chen.
I'm live.
Come in, my aunts.
Ngikhona ngifise Mr. Kressler ngifuna ngishaye nge-word of the day.
Yazi, ngome wena. Sana wana ball.
Hey, Silive ebareni Skibigile ngiphethe Mr. Kressler ngifuna anginike i-word of the day inja madoda.
Word of the day. Sana wana ball ngome wena masendeni.
That was hard.
That was hard, boy.
That was tough.
Okay, sharp ngome wena. Hard.
Yo, that was tough.
I was gonna cook you, but
Buta tanga anyway, phela njengoba na uhlala ubutana nebantu lapha.
okay, so what?
So what? Kodwa papa. Boy.
So what?
Boy.
Kazeli. So what?
Ay, kana eat sharp.
Sharp. Are you good there? Mr. Payo? Hey, Payo! Zwakala baba. Sikhibekile, silive, siqale lula lento. What's your name, baba?
Mina bangibita ngabo ngumusa mala abanye bangibatinga coke.
Udume ngani la kasi coke?
Mina tanga ngathi mina abantu abaningi bangithanda. Ngasho ukuthi ngiyathandeka. Ngithola. Thandeka.
What's my corona extra?
Uyathandeka.
Thandeka abantu abaningi abangizoli.
Kumnandi.
Bangiphethe tanga bangibhekelele.
Kumnandi mara namuhla la.
Angasho ukuthi right, akukho mnandi, akukho bad. Yahlaleka ya. Ngahlala maye vele nje. Kuza kubheda vele.
Mara intombinyana bosobonile something nyana.
Ngiyabona ngithaphi amangiboni lana.
Bakhona mara bona.
Angibaboni ngibona ngathi ngiyadifeba ndakuthi mathayiphambi ngithanda bo good girl
Wona ngathi nani? I didn't get that.
ngibona ngathi ngiyadifeba ngithanda bo good girl
Oh, uthanda bo good girl.
labalali right now ngithanda bona ngiyo mathayiphambi
Nje right now abekho bo good girl.
right now abekho bo good girl
Yo, nimziye bangumusa ukuthi udume ngani? Uthi uyathandeka kakadumi. Thanda bo good girl nibona ngathi lana kunabo. Hey, I don't know na. Hey,
ngima bad girl
I don't know na mention it. Bad bitches. Hayi. Kumnandi yabona ngala background yanyiwa bafethu ende ngiyazama kuyiziba le nto mara. Very
sharp izolazi
uyazi. Laba funa lesilakazi. Yeah, so let's not live. Kanjani? Laba bantu baningi ngiphethe inja yami la. Ene ngangitshela ukuthi ngibani. Yodi introduce yona.
Hayi, bukani phela lana. Ngiphethe uphula amavocado. Abaningi bamazi ngobhu. Hayi, lo machayivane bafethu. Phela kanjani?
Pula, mapukado. Uzangani inja yami namuhla la?
Hayi, futhi akukho kuningi yabo.
Mara bakhona abaphathi labahle la today.
Hayi. So far. Nyala bra.
Akabona umuntu ntanga lomuhle namuhla. Yaphetha abaphathi.
No, hayi, kuyala mngano. Kuyala. Hayi, itaipo bana. Yakana mina ngaso imba bantu. Lenter. Lo intambi yakale. Why? Borne sekela mapiano yabo. Ngikho lokumbamba so. So bafana ngimguke noma ngathi uyaqina so
Okay, inanti tudla ke.
hayi bafana uyangibona nawe
Ile rocket tudla.
hayi ngamgona kumguka bafana
Kukana wena kai.
ya ngithanda lethi leyogugana bafana le part leyogugana uyangibona
Hayi.
so sikhulu
Papa, these niggas are great. These niggas are not normal at all. No. It's a quack for now. It's a quack for now. Yo. Where's another one? That's my... We have a rema. You know what, man? Let me tell you. Kuna maperi.
one is my friend this one so
My friends are not normal. My friends are not normal. If you are normal, you are not my friend. Just look at this. My friends are not normal, and no one is normal. Mama sayi awusimngani wami. Kumnandi bafethu. Kanti baba abaperi. Mapedi. Ngiphi ipedi lelicakiwe ntanga sole henera step. Ngiphi ipedi lelicakiwe sole henera. Sifunde ama-question, ufila njani kuba lana bakhona ngana ba-Steve. Basabi camera labantwana, I think they don't pass. I'm not sure, but bayisabi camera. I think they don't pass. They don't pass. They don't pass. And they no. Yalo kufuna lipedi la, kufuna lipedi. Lelingasabi kukhuluma. Saseliwa. One pedi lelingasabi kukhuluma. One pedi yabona konjani. Yabona konjani abantu badakiwe thina siyabloga. Hey baba, come here. Usabi camera, yala. Yala, Yala, hey camera. No screw the camera. How's it? I'm good. We are good. My way, the camera. You get. Mara. Good man, my dog. The phone is jam. Your phone is the jam. I think I let it. Come on. But tell us, good man, I see, Kulumano Tony Pochifos. I can. We do actually know this go. I can. See life, La Pareni. Don't was La Pareni when I was only level Patnavas. I see, men's conference, no women. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Oh fuck. Kunzima namuhla kunzima sabangena. Siyaba enter, siyapi. Tenikele little way, bro. Little way, bro. Okay. Yeah, I'm cool. Yeah, corner. Still live. Take a ball. Bye. When I approach No. Hello. My guy. What's your name? They don't know you there.
My name is Easy, my guy.
Like here, boy.
My gosh, is not there, boy. There's no even there, boy.
Okay, what's your type, boy?
My type, boy. My type is that Josie, boy.
No, describe.
It's not my type.
Yeah.
Okay, my type, boy. My type is first things like yellow bones. I have to see boobs. I have to see the ass, nigga. She fuck you, nigga. I have to see that, nigga. And I don't want a girl who doesn't have the mind.
Yo.
If you have the mind with the boobs, with the ass, yeah, that's me, bro.
Yo.
Without the brain. Bad, nigga.
Did you get that?
What's wrong with the student?
The student, she's not too much. That's why. Let's do that. Man. You can't pick up the student, nigga.
No friend.
But you can't pick up the student.
You can't pick up the student, so. Yeah, fine.
Student, she's not too much.
Yellow phone.
Leave that one.
The
No.
weak one.
Yeah.
No.
Yes, bro.
Ezinja. Abafuni basuda. Duda, she's too much. Bafethu. Mina ngiphila nezinja. Sayami. Are you good today?
Angimnandi.
Introduce yourself to camera.
Mina ngumpofu. Pofu emhlala kosentsha.
Wine pop. Yeah.
Eish. Ngoba ngimpofu.
Ngimi lo mpofu la.
Nguwe mpofu la.
Ngifuna kube ngimi mpofu
Mina
la.
njani kanti?
One who light skin nigga.
Hayi mpofu. Umsana.
Okay, bosayibonile class nana. So far.
Ngiyayibona.
Why?
Babavalele banele.
Nekude nesayite yakho leyo anje ngiyibonile.
Sibele labo gogo la.
Okay, what's your type?
Yabona lapho vele hey lapha ngethi ichazi.
What's your type?
Nena.
Tabi. Your type. What's your type?
Letso la ngindi yabona manje ageza clean amuhle. Right.
Ngoba Wangakageza thina muthi. Yabo, right. Ngoba laba labanye ayi oh nathi kahle uthi lobalekile ugeza abeqini vele yabo yini lebalekile into le ya abemusa athandzeke hayi lento yakho angazi ukuthi manje nawe nasombone bese kuyasho ukuthi hayi manje baby sama nawe yabo vele vele umshayeli baby hayi muhle yo noma uhamba naye yabo ungazi nemahloko ungathambela le msuku lagcwela bangena yabo vele vele uhambe naye hayi nangiphila nezitha ngiphila nezitha ngiphila nezitha asiyahamba bafethu hamba bafethu siyabangena phakathi King is so cool, bro.
Introduce yourself.
Bro, hey, you know what's up? This is Destroyer the Dog. I'm a dance facilitator. I'm an art practitioner. Also a dance and art activity as well. You know, bro, these are like the best niggas you can ever find, bro. Danny K, YP. Still gonna be YP. Still gonna be YP. Come on.
This music shit ain't easy. Don't you ever try to be.
If you don't fuck with these bros, who you fucking with, bro? If you don't fuck with Godzilla, who you fucking... Come on, bro. Bro, these are the illest in the world, bro. I'm a bitch. I support the movement. I support the culture.
Okay, besides the support, what's your type, boy?
My type like what, bro?
Some cheeks.
Chicks. But I had to go with the dark shade, bro. Like my skin, you know.
What's it? The darker the berry, the sweeter the chew.
The chocolate, but the chocolate, but you know. I know. It's not a young prejudice.
Mara, you didn't describe what? Okay, you only just told us about the car like that.
I stand as in yum.
What's wrong with the student?
I put a do them done. Why? Why? I don't have the strength in Donna. Pumunta student na si strength. Ay, wala di student na musa tiyacha. Let's go back. Papa, man. And what's your about kuni?
I will set you up, boy.
Next. Yeah. Sababuga. Nangu namsoja. Msoja naye msoja. Bandu bahedi.
Okay, come on, boys. Introduce yourself.
I'm so from Machado.
He's Jamata.
Take visa. I'm located in Tembisa Metro.
Okay, what's your type, man?
Pardon me?
What's your type?
Cherry, bro. I do understand, Metro. Cherry, bro. My type is. Your type must be thick.
Yeah.
Thick guys. Guys.
Only thick, bad.
Pardon me?
Only thick, bad.
Just thick guys.
Yeah.
Just thick guys out.
So, if you tell me why you don't like the slenders?
I do like stand up, but I just don't enjoy it. Public, I'm a thick guys pro public. But yeah,
You only love the students.
not chubby guys. I didn't say chubby guys. Thick guys. You say thick. Yeah, you say thick. Okay, stand.
What's your type?
Check stand.
Check
Stand. Esnyana. Keep Snyana. That's how it is, bro. Yeah. That's how it is, bro. That's how it is. You hear me? You feel me? Yeah. If you don't feel me, you don't have to feel God. Yo. Go down. Much love, dog. Much love. No. Hamba na vlog, Pino. Hamba na vlog, Pino. Hamba na vlog, Pino. Hamba na vlog, Pino. Anak ko na puno. Oh my guy. My guy. Hamba.
Hey, man.
Introduce yourself.
Makathi ngibebe mina Scott Paul lama ningathi Pepe Nkosi yami
Utume ngani?
athi benginathatshwala dai nathatshwala ngibebe insaba
What's your time?
my type back
What's your time?
I tell
Lenda, time. What's your time?
ayo yonke into yawazi awuthiya ngathika lo kuyane malanga Atford. Matavinyana yabo. Matavinyana.
Why not Slender?
Beta na tikofu. Slender beta na tikofu la. Tatolsana Slender. Ngene Slender. Slender di wrong stuff. I tell man, di wrong dile. La. Tikofu chambe. Mama ay matavi ya.
What's how you arrive? Aye. You like scooters? So you like scooters?
Yeah.
Aye. Tituda. Yeah, Joey. Ngasi tituda. Yes. No comment. But well, but I'm a fair enough. My sister saw the women's conference. My sister saw the women's conference. Take the mic. My sister saw the women's conference. That's a sort of women's conference. That's a sort of women's conference. What?
Now yeah, daw.
Ay, man, tenuwaya nga uzi, man, flow. Man, ano kuna teni? Na umuzi. Beta umuzi, wena, itembe wena. Akadingo chu. Muki type ya. Oh. Ay, man, muzi, man. Hey. Wow. Msita wokuqala lesimbuze itype yakhe wayiveta. On camera. What the fuck? Yo. I hear him, bra. Angisafuna ukuhim. Okay, what's wrong with Stuttgart?
Okay, mind if I ask.
The studios are for winter.
Mind if I ask. Is this a success or what? Oh.
Extra blanket.
Stop me.
No, mina ngibuza ukuthi le gig injani? You rate it out of 10.
10 minus nothing, boy.
Zakipa. Sikona. Full support. The kick is a 9 plus 1. I on. Bayeva scoop kwendakalani. Go on. Nasi sija. Pia kamereni. Ipola lenja. Unemashoni usabi kamera ng-8. Pola ka. Usabi kamera. Para FIFA. Ngala. Solo simenta wanya na isu ng taksuka yan. And the bada pabona. People against it.
Falsa Malaco. Vegan. Yeah, my comrade. Yes. What does the nigga have to do to get your attention tonight? What does the nigga have to do to get your attention tonight?
Okay, what's your type? What's your type? This is a crazy man. Who bleed you? Who bleed you? Who bleed you?
I don't know.
Pick anyone. Yeah,
Let's get ready.
yeah, any point. Yeah. What's your name, boys? Okay, what's your type?
My type? Yeah, I don't have a type, dog.
What do you mean if you say you don't have a type?
My type is my girlfriend.
Who's your girlfriend? Whoa. Okay, besides that, describe your girlfriend. Yeah, describe your girlfriend.
My girlfriend.
Just describe.
Able to see my friend and
Okay, what's wrong with the students? What's wrong with the students? Where? Attitude, yes, you are. Machari, when I feel bad because you are Tanda, Machari, but today, you're not winning. What's your time? No, I'm not the time, please. Tanda ini Tari, Terry Lotuda. Yeah, Terry Aletuda. Why? Oh, Terry Tabi la Tisa and the new war. What's it Tabi like Tisa, boy? It's Tabi new war, Brian. Son. My slender, I'll call it slender by nature or slender by disease or doing something like. Wow. Did you get that? Wow. Okay, tell him what's your name, boys. Cancela, that's a call. Put the long as you pretend. I'm talking, I'm Cancela, that's a call. Okay, wait. You go connected. Maranai. Everything is still connected. Interview. Sabi kamer. Asami tang demo sama bato. Nena. Amara ngala siya ko na may matigit bro. Epacha. Atingkutan interview gaya. Kapan saya doon sa kamtan so kanggaga. Pila dyan, Mara. Ang sasungit parang kukuang ba? Kambal. Bro! Kani, where's my fucking camera? Lum talaga cool. Kani, where's my camera? Ya chai pa machai pa na kaya na i-block yamle. Ya chai pa machai pa. And aku temu lo machai bila na ila masara. La masara nga pumanong kanay 48. Mitin pa na chai bila na leto talen. Angeke lunge. Kung man sa round ba nula may 62. Uchai pa ay wan. Ay. Buti lo machai bila na nadaman. Off up the mic. Oh, yeah.
Yo, kamera yami yapi? Full kamera yami yapi? Mina ngihlala ngisho ukuthi ngiphila nezinja. Ngiphila nezinja. Namuhla ngiphethe Mr. Matrabul. Mr. Matrabul, awuthi introduce kulabantu lapho.
What's up, Dad? What's it? Angangisho lokuningi.
Angeke ukhulume lokuningi.
What's your type?
Yes.
What's your type? What's your type?
Bitch. Akavane. Songibeke fair, but by the way, yabo.
Asamba.
Kubeka uyoje.
Mina ngithatha kuyilula yabo. Ngothi ngilulele yona. Wena uyankava ngithi ngangilulela yona.
I don't know your type, boy. I know you, not your type. Your type. Just describe your type.
Ngathini?
Leda, Tavi.
Ngathini? Phela inkinga yabo ukuthi yabona because slender yabona musi. Bayikuthi sengiba confused nyana but I know. Yabona from slender to emkhathini yabo. Awungafike ngale champion wathi I know bafethu. Come on, bafethu.
Okay, what's wrong with this dude that?
Yeah, sometimes msisila yabona.
Did you get that?
Yeah, sort of, but yeah. Ikanjalo, yeah. Sort of msisila ngasenjalo, but yeah. Lokunye lokungeke sikuthi.
Hayi. Shout out to Matrabul, bafethu. Another thing, khona ingoma letawo. Painful, that's why.
Dude, why you msisila, boy?
Letuja vile. It's mina khona ingoma letawo.
Yeah, by the way, yeah. I just wanna say yeah, ukhona ingoma letawo. Shikisha Spawn, I think that's one so shutela la musio. Yeah, so shutela like fast that one.
Something is coming, bafethu.
Shikisha Spawn, I think today. So we see Carl, I think next week we see that.
Yaphela vele. Hayi mara the verse I gave you there.
Give me that shit.
I will send this ngisho ukuthi ngingadada but I heavy.
Mutilo.
Hey. Skathi kakhulu lapho.
Shikisha Spawn.
Let me pass the mic.
Awusukhansela. Yokhansela lekhaya. Yokhansela lekhaya.
Naku umuntu athiseka.
Uyokhansela lekhaya.
Introduce yourself.
Mina, my name is Yokhansela lekhaya.
Okay, udume ngani?
Ngidume ngokuthi mina rapper khansela ekhaya.
What's your type?
My type is my tribe.
What's your type?
My type is my tribe.
Oh, what the fuck? Yo, let me pass the mic. Let me pass the mic. Okay, call funi mic. Akase call funi mic. Akasinto khuluma waya ke la.
Hey,
No, pass me the mic. Ukraine the mic.
I back you up.
Aye, for now. For now.
My question, I back you up, boys. Mabale. Okay, siya pita. Tumel, na flu tumel. Ang sabi there. Boys. That's the fucking problem. Ang sabi next. If I have to step out, I step out. Yeah, show me. Show me the way. Okay. Stop. Hello. Ang fulik tina pokelbe machita. Cause niggas are crazy, man. They like fighting and all that shit. And girls are girls. Girls are just girls. There's nothing much. Wait. Show me the way, please. I'm going next. It's very dark.
There's no way in this house, boy.
Where are the peaches? Okay, I saw that my peaches are much dark again. Liwa Magli.
Yeah, I think he lead. Follow me. Yo. Okay, can you please introduce yourself, boy? Okay, come on up. What's your name? Spew. What made you come to the Sandian stage? What made you come to Sandian stage event tonight?
Support. I buy now.
Okay, utumengani.
Mina ngithumela angidlala igijimi now sir.
Phela.
Hayi.
Nangani.
Nangokufela. Mina ngokufela.
Uceba bobani.
Afanti bami.
Okay, what's your type?
Yeah.
Ngiyafeva nini?
Ngiyazi ngiyabukaya.
Yeah, mina ngiyafela.
Uceba baba.
Okay. Check it out. Yini into longayikhuluma abazali bakho lojabulayo ukuthi abayathi ngawo mara uyayenda wena.
Hey, amantombazane ngami.
What's your type? What's your type?
Type yami. Longathi first so
Buddha or slender?
fat. Food, yeah.
What's wrong with the slender?
Stand up to fight down.
Why?
I'm not cool.
Abakho.
Usena off.
Kandinya.
Yeah, Tanzania. Like a fat boy.
Yashika.
Oh.
No, I have no fine. Fine.
Okay. It seems like things change now. Most niggas you interview, they like slenders, but this one is more about the chubby mommy.
Give me that view in
Yeah.
Yeah. You got it.
Enjoy.
Not to gender based.
Must start the assembly.
Okay, it's now.
Lana.
Yeah.
Makabe.
Why Makabe?
Why Makabe?
Yeah.
But Alabama bangtanzi. Why bathi Samgelo one?
Some girl, boy. Okay. What's your type, boy?
My type.
Yeah.
Daughter. Daughter, fuck everything, man. You know my type, yeah.
Man. Hey, type, hey. Yeah. No.
I know my type, man.
No. Describe it. You got a friend, yeah.
Man, caramel.
Slender.
Yeah.
Cortez.
Yeah.
What's wrong with the Tujas?
Do that.
Yeah.
Mafuna mapanda.
Bela.
Yeah.
Abasi type ya.
Ay, yung pulelang pete lo, yeah. Okay, pete turanjat.
Malini bela.
Pete turanjat. Hey, Luis.
Yeah.
Okay, 23.
Okay.
Imoto mo.
23,000 you bad, boy. Okay, I jump. Man, cash kola. Aunayo.
Grazie, Masara.
Never. Mistake leo.
Ay. Okay, kasina mistake.
Pucha.
Kasina pucha. Uloyiwe, mone krashe Masara, prawa. Kanga sana la, idonge mundi ndombe.
Yes, it's done.
Hey.
Okay, I forget. Meet you here.
Asibe spema.
Tiago. Flow. Why only say mama question about there?
Kanjani Ntonas?
Okay, ngikhuluma nabani?
Obvious Ntonas, the one and all CWAPISO.
TWBA.
No.
W.
CW
TWAPISO.
TWAW.
The one and only.
Mpaito.
Lunatic Fringe.
Okay, nta udume ngani?
Obvious, ntwana sabantu bangazi. I-outer sekas.
Udume ngani?
Udume nge-beautiful heart.
Even it's a beautiful heart. Okay, what's your type?
Ntwana, life always punish me for having a good heart.
What's your type? Yeah.
Type yam.
Yeah.
What kind of a type, Ntwana?
Describe.
Describe any.
Describe your type.
Ntwana, this is my type.
Ah, yeah, no.
This is my type, Ntwana.
Okay, I'm talking about humans.
Humans.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck with humans. This is my type.
About girls. About
I
girls.
don't give a fuck with them. This is my type.
Okay,
Champions beer.
Okay,
Nothing else other than Champions beer, Ntwana.
are you in love?
For what?
Are you in love?
I'm in love with the fucking Champions beer, boy.
You don't love no one.
Oh! Wait, boy.
He's in love, ne? No.
Ntwana,
What's your name?
Ntwana.
What's your name? What's your name? It's Lihle. I know you. Oh, I'm not really. I'm going to Sukhwe. We are not.
Athi ngiyangikhanyisa nani. Umdeli King.
Okay. What's your name?
Ngihle hawo.
Okay, Lihle. Why are you here today?
Hayi nginatha tshwala, ha?
What's your type? Come on, Lihle. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
My friend, I've been glad to see them.
Lihle. Yeah, vale. Hey, Lihle. Yeah, kwe. Okay, come on. Nabala.
Yes.
What's your type, Jesus? Okay. Before I get to that, why are you here today?
Billy.
Yeah.
Let's ashwan.
What's your type?
Type a big baby outside.
Pheba kunjani?
Baby.
Kunjani?
Uye. Yena yedwa phelele.
Ustudios land.
Leda baleda other the weather.
Okay, what's wrong with the studios?
No, yazi brawa bijale.
Yeah.
Awusho sibanda small lisoli. Yena ngeke sivuke sithande kufana kubaba. Sivuke sithande kufana kubaba. Asiboni lisoli ke. Asithandi kufana.
Phela nje.
Hayi ukuthi against bana abasdula. Bana abasdula yes, ba beautiful.
All right.
Yeah. Lapha ukuthi kwentekile la ifeel ukuthi kuthola lekutayo empilweni sharp fade.
Ne.
Barabile for be brawa other the weather.
Mara ukile wathola la studio.
So far,
Yeah.
solo kwabakini.
Yeah.
I never. Pete yatura. Yatura pete. Yatura pete.
I know respect.
Yatura pete brava.
Mara tituda, but see, okay, no, it's fine.
Oh, that's it.
Hey, it's fine. Yeah.
You're right.
But it is.
Yashiza.
Yeah.
No, you call it the Shisayo, bro.
Bekawa tilenda ay la mafile mfuna wa keep on my no.
Brava.
Yeah.
Keep up, brava.
Hey, great.
Lo zozizwa asuphatheke kabi. Akube kwahle.
This is all about you.
Yeah. Bile brava yakubekela bile. Bile brava.
Yeah.
Ithatha big baby. Brava.
Be.
Akubheki.
Baby wakunjani uslenda?
Leda brava.
Muhle.
Over.
Unomnandi.
Brava.
Kothebu.
Akekho lobuhle kudlula yena.
Eish.
Akekho loluka kudlula yena.
Yeah.
Akekho loportable kudlula yena.
Yeah.
Forever yena.
Yeah. I thank you, Jayam.
Uyakubamba.
Solid. I know, thank you, Jayam.
Hey baba.
Fighting squad. Okay, it's fine. Fight, sasalo mfight, uyavayana lo mfight. Mike. Yeah, sister. Hey, my rope line, sister, wrong what?
Shit, fuck.
Paro mfight wenda.
We on cam, bro.
Bigmelupa.
We on cam, bro. Chill.
Never give a fuck. Mfight ang kwatel na musaksasa kulmise, boy. I'm King YP, boy.
Boy.
We're
gonna lose hoes.
I went through anxiety. I went through depression.
Can't lose hoes over there.
Hoes and shit, boy.
Can't lose hoes.
Hoes and shit. I had my first heartbreak. I thought like hoes or something. I had my second heartbreak, and then I realized it was hoes and shit, boy. Me, I'm King YP, boy. I'm never gonna make a pass, boy. I'm always here. Boy. YP. Yo. Okay. You gonna be YP, boy. This shit, you earn it. Young Bob, I carry hard. Mara, she accepted the heart. She accepted the heart. It's King YP, boy. I don't lose. It's King YP. I understand. Thank you. It's King YP, boys. I go with God.
Yeah, we're out here, outside as fuck.
Yo,
1170. Tap in,
Bati, this music.
subscribe,
Yeah, follow, tap. Okay, this music shit ain't easy. Don't you ever shwana bibi. Elokshina bang fili. Maranami ang ba fili. Mar, I like your best line, but see this bro gave me a feature. Ang music of my league.
Yo, make sure you subscribe,
Yeah,
you follow, you like, you comment,
Yeah.
anything you gotta do, tap in.
okay, boy. Let me ask you one question. What's your type?
My type, everything, bro.
What do you mean? Okay,
Everything.
okay. The what?
And that's to that,
Okay,
light
what's?
skin, dark skin,
Why do you like the slenders?
everything, bro. I like everything, not slenders.
Why do you like the students?
Hey, the students, boy.
I want you to differentiate between slenders and students.
Slenders, you get the whole thing, you feel me? And students,
Okay, I'm here.
students.
Yeah,
And students is the pocket, my boy. You know the pocket,
yeah.
yeah.
You see the pussy.
The pocket.
Have you seen a long pussy? A tall pussy.
Always.
I know. I didn't say this. I didn't say this. I want you to explain. Okay. You say what's with the slender? What's with the slender?
You see the slenders, you get the whole thing, or you don't miss a beat.
You get that fat coochie.
Everything, boy.
Everything.
You get the whole thing.
Angisiyo bulo kula empilweni.
Are you dating?
Angikaze cool.
Are you dating? Oh, lengwenya. Okay, it's fine, poison. We out here. 10 KYP. We were asking about the slenders and the stoozers, poison. Me, I don't date nobody, boy. I'm fine like this. I date with Jesus Christ. I date with Jesus Christ, boy. Boflo sebahambile ntanga. Sipama nasi lakini. Funa thinking ngala tikhona, sifuna thinking ngala ngakhona khona. Kwendakalani la? Hayi mhlambe siyawasaba mhlambe sifuna la siyawasaba. Okay, ngifuna kusukela ngala. Sidikodile wena. Angweposta. Boy. Mike. Mike la. Makabe.
Okay.
Why did you quit music?
You know why?
Yeah.
Ngifuna imali. And I understand amali athi bangiphe imali.
Yeah. Unatsamali jobula.
Handa, I think
Unatsemali namusha kuphela unatsemali.
maximum I can say 800 or 900.
Ay hamba wedwa sahambi now.
If you
Unatsa 800.
the podcast,
Ay mina nginathi boy. Ngiyaqawula boy anginathi.
okay, mina ngiyanathi and in mind sineka ligwayi. Sami sokutshala ligwayi.
Uyalibhema ukwai.
Yeah, ngiyabhema.
Paul Lupi.
Bani?
Paul Lupi ukwai.
Ubugwayi.
Sitolo sanzini. Sitolo sanzini. Makhelwane wakho. Makhelwane wakho.
Ayadala boy, I can't.
Anginalo.
Uwomile naye lo. Uwomile naye lo ngikhodayo lo ushithayo. Cameraman.
Anginalo.
Cameraman.
Baba, I do have a cigarette. I'm the only one here.
Who has a cigarette?
Okay, wow.
Like a boy.